Your question, please, for our
Yes, as the representative under armed security. Paano natin mapapanatili dito si Alice Go?
As a representative of armed security, paano natin mapapanatili dito si Alice Go? Contestant number 1, take the stage.
Thank you very much for that very political question. I think the solution is actually already part of your role as the President of Armed Security. Because I believe na para mapanatili natin si Alice Go dito, the solution is violence. We need all of the Filipinos here in our country to take arms and take weapons because violence is the only answer for us to finally achieve our peace. Sabi nga sa akin nung arms teacher ko, nung bata pa ako, and you were tossing me the car key. Fuck the patriarchy. She was an especially violent teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Tawas. Same question to contestant number 2.
Hello, Josh. Thank you so much for that geopolitical question. Ako po ay naniniwala na para po mapanatili natin si Alice Go sa ating bansa, kailangan natin ng better security, tighter security na kasing tight ng kili-kili. Yun ang kailangan natin. The next time na feeling natin na alis si Alice Go, sabihin natin, Hoy! Dito ka lang! Baka nakakalimutan mo, hindi ka lang lumaki sa farm. Ikaw rin ay gento-gento, dito basta-basta, bingo-bingo, need mo makumpleto, parang bento-gento, ano kaya mo? Pag sinabi mo yon, may hilo si Alice Go, then pwede na siyang hulihan after. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Arpin. And last but not least, contestant number 3.
Thank you for that geopolitical that also concerns national security. Yeah, because also when you make an email or also make a strong password, you need a strong and secured question. What are you? You know what, as a brand ambassador of Jabbar, deodorant, para mapanatili si Alice Go sa Pilipinas, unang-una we need strong national security. That is why I propose that for the Jabbar deodorant, we add 99.9% triclosan. Because triclosan prevents all the germs. And Alice Go is a germ that corrupts our society. That is why, with the synergy and bandwidth of the Department of Health, Department of Foreign Affairs, and the Bureau of Immigration, na talaga namang pinatakas siya via boat. Sabi niya sa akin, dapat pakak. And with that, nakatakas si Alice Go at lumipad o nagpunta patungong Indonesia. Right? That is why if I am going to be your brand ambassador of Jabbar, hindi lamang seguridad ng bansa, ngunit seguridad din ng kilikili.
Thank you so much.